In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Chatter on Salesforce. Before diving in, let's briefly discuss what Salesforce Chatter is and why it's a powerful tool. Chatter is an enterprise social network embedded right within Salesforce, designed to facilitate collaboration and communication among colleagues. Whether you're sharing ideas, files, or status updates, it's an efficient way to keep everyone aligned and informed. To begin, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This is your gateway to accessing all the features that Salesforce offers, so make sure your login credentials are at hand. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage, a familiar sight if you've logged in before. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There you'll spot the app launcher, which looks like a grid or waffle icon. Give it a click. This handy tool houses all the apps you have access to, offering a quick way to switch between them. Within the app launcher, you'll see a search bar. Type in Salesforce Chatter and press enter. When the Chatter app appears, click on it to open. Having successfully navigated to the Chatter app, you're now ready to create your post. Look towards the top of the Chatter page and you'll see a few different tabs such as All Updates, To Me, and Bookmarks. There's also a tab labeled Post, which is the one we're interested in. Click on the Post tab to get started. In the space provided under this tab, type out the message you wish to share with your team. This could be a simple update, a question, or even a prompt for discussion. While composing your message, make sure it's clear and concise to effectively convey your intended point to your audience. If your message could benefit from additional context or resources, consider attaching files or including links. To do this, use the Add File or Add Link options adjacent to the message box. Adding a relevant file or link can provide your team with immediate access to important documents or further reading material, greatly enhancing the value of your post. Once you're satisfied with your message and any attachments, it's time to share your masterpiece with your colleagues. Simply click the Share button. With that, your post will become part of your team's Chatter feed, where it can be viewed, liked, and commented on by other members of your organization. And that's it, you've successfully posted to Chatter on Salesforce. This social networking tool is highly valuable for fostering team collaboration and keeping everyone in the loop. Feel free to leverage it regularly to enhance communication in your company. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy chattering.